I'm back with a synthetic wig review that I'm super excited about. I'm excited because it's from a company that I've never tried, even though they have been out for a while. It's not this unit that's on my head. This one has already gone up. It should have been yesterday for y'all. This unit went up, and this is a unit that I really ended up liking. But the one I'm bringing you today is by a company called Vivace. Here, please consider subscribing. I upload almost daily, whether it be human hair, synthetic hair, a clothing haul, which a clothing haul is coming. So I upload almost daily. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. Y'all, please like and subscribe because I'm trying to hit 70K. I'm like stuck right there at 68. So help your girl out. This one, like I said, is by a company called Vivace, and I see Vivace all the time. Like when I'm on Ebony Line scrolling, I think there's somewhere else that sells it. Might just be Ebony Line. I see them and I've always put them off because I don't know. But like I said, this is the year where I'm priding myself on trying new brands. So I said, let me try it. This one is in the style Gold Unit 19, which lets you know I'm tardy for the party if they up to 19. And I got it in the color 1 because I didn't want any issues. The unit comes in this very bright and pretty orange packaging. It's a hard box, so I have to take it out of this so we can look at this stock card and the cap construction. Let me take this out and I'll be right back. So there are some other things on this stock card I think you guys would want to know. It comes with ear-to-ear hand-tied lace. I ain't gonna do all that, but I will show you these colors. So that color, that blonde that she's wearing on the stock card, that is Monroe. This color, oh, that is pretty. This color is called Coffee Blonde. That is such a beautiful blend. And she also comes in a DR27, a DR Burgundy, a DR Chocolate, and a DRFH Sugar Brown. Now, that's one thing I wish they would change. I hate it when companies release these colors like Sugar Brown, but they don't show us what it looks like. So I do not like that. Oh, and she also comes in your standard colors of... Where'd it go? A 1, a 1B, and a 2. Now, just right out of the pack and on my hand, Monroe is very pretty. And I love the texture on this unit. Just right out of the pack. We're going to see. Okay. It comes with that ear-to-ear lace and that lace part. It also has 2 combs in the front. Okay. You get a comb in the back and some adjustable straps. And they've included a glueless band. Is not adjustable, but there is a glueless band in this unit. It also comes with baby hairs. Yeah, some baby hairs. Okay, so just in my hand, on my hand, this looks like a really nice unit, but we'll see. Let me cut off this lace. I'll put it on, give you a 360, and I'll come right back with my final thoughts. You guys, be right final thoughts on Vivace Gold Unit 19. And I will say that I am pleasantly surprised. I'm glad that I made this one the first one that I tried by this company, because y'all know I will go into something with a deep side eye. But because of this classic style and the fact that I got it in a more natural color for me, I do like this wig and I can recommend it. And because we've gotten all the way up to 19, this is a company that I'm going to, when I order here for next month, I will pick up a few other units in this collection or by this company to see what we're hitting on. I hate for me to say it, but it does remind me of Valentino. It does remind me of Valentino, but with ear-to-ear lace and a lace part, okay? It really does. My one con about this wig is the shine. It is very shiny. It's not my ring light. It does have some shine to it, but you know that's easily fixable with some dry shampoo. So I don't have a con, no shedding, no tangling. The unit was affordable as well. So I do like this one, but I do need your help. In the comments, if you have any units by Vivace, specifically in this collection, tell me what numbers you have and do you recommend them? Or if you don't have any, which units out of this collection would you like to see reviewed? Because like I said, I think I'm going to pick up 2 more to see what they are hitting on. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.